Please go, yep. No idea how fast I'm going.
Don't interrupt me.
It's in the rear.
Let go.
Whoa! It is quite ugly. Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate. Something a bit different for you today.
A bit different. I've never seen one of these before.
I love me some quirky cars,
Definitely.
and I also love JDM cars. So when Stafford contacted us and asked us if we wanted to do his Crown, I nearly fell off my seat.
Do his what?
His Crown?
Sorry.
It's a Toyota Crown.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't even know what these are.
Well, I'm going to say this. Yeah, I didn't even know what it was. But I have genuinely seen more Bugatti Chirons than I have seen these.
That's a very good point.
Exactly,
yeah, that's true.
That's why I said it.
You do not see these, so I am like a little kid. I'm so excited. Let's just
cool.
get stuck in.
Yeah, let's do it.
No JDM car is complete without a legendary JDM lump, and that's exactly what we've got here. The Toyota Crown comes with the 1JZ, well this one comes with a 1JZ GTE.
This is the single turbo,
yes,
right?
the later VVTIs actually came with a single turbo that also apparently gave more torque and more torque lower end.
Didn't have our little turbos before though.
That's exactly what I thought, usually what the twins are for, but we'll soon find out, hopefully.
They build them, they know, so yeah.
So standard, they run around 280 brake with about 280 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
But Stafford did say he's got a boost controller on you, so it's running around 12-13 psi. Standard, they run about 9, so should be pushing around
300.
Oh, yeah, over 300.
Right, so the Crown has some really interesting, quirky little features on it. It has the optional aero kit, so it doesn't look so pedestrian. Also, we've got some nice little side markers. These are green, but unfortunately it's not night, so we can't see them. So follow me down to the back, actually meet me there, because it's going to take me a while, because as you can see, this thing's huge. But here we go. You're going to have to film this bit, man. You're going to have to skip it. Yeah, so it's the Athlete V, which is actually the turbo version of this car. It is quite ugly, I think. No offence to you. Hang on, I think he's getting something to hit me with.
Right, now Kenny's done insulting the outside of the car. Let's see what we can find on the inside. This is so typical of JDM 90s, 2000s luxury, and I love it already. So first thing you notice when you sit in, you've got these big velour comfy seats, and they really do feel very comfortable. We've got the head unit is very JDM. It's even still got the Japanese writing and everything on there. Ignore the broken screen, it still does work. There's actually a DVD player built into the dash as well. I hope you can hear me over the vents, but if you look here, there's actually a feature. The fans will actually oscillate back and forth. Honestly, the Japanese technology in the 90s, late 2000s. How the hell do I turn it off?
Press the button for it.
Press the off button. Right. One thing I do want to show, whenever you turn the ignition on, you are greeted by the lovely Japanese lady in the dashboard. That's so cool. Even better so in the front, possibly. Let's jump into the rear. Even in the back, we've got typical 90s 2000 JDM luxury. Being sat in, you've got these big comfy seats in the rear again, armrest in the middle with cup holders. Even the lid for the cup holders is lined in this lovely carpet. We got the old handles here, so when we do go sideways, there's something to grip onto. Even they are padded and trimmed very nicely. And one of possibly the best features in the rear. Why you weren't even looking at me?
No, I thought purposely.
One of the best features in the back of the car, if you need more leg room on the passenger side, there is a switch on the side. How amazing is that? I have never seen that in a car before. These have actually got electric reclining rear seats. Once again, I have never seen that in a car, and let alone a 90s JDM car. I would not have expected it.
Try it out.
That is amazing. I would happily just spend all my time in this car.
You need to run it now because you kill the battery.
One more. Nah, sorry. Yeah, as much as I'd love to just sit in the car and just be in awe of the JDM goodness, I think it's about time we took it for the drive and opened up that 1JZ.
No shit.
Oh, this car.
It's comfy, innit?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, first of all, I want to say a massive thank you to Stafford for taking the time, bringing this amazing car down to us. Now, you were saying off camera, this is your daily, is that right?
Yeah, stupid daily really.
I have to ask, what made you go? First of all, what made you go with the car, and then what made you daily it? Like, what's the story behind it?
Opportunity, and it just, like, it is a perfect daily car if you have more money than I do.
Yeah.
It's like breadline right now.
Yes, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's mega comfy. It makes all the good noises. It's pretty. I mean, it's not mega fast.
Yeah.
Like a 300-ish
That's not what
brake.
they're made for, is it?
No, it's for cruising, and it is my Yakuza Cruza. So I love it.
That says it all. Yeah. We normally run through the mods. I mean, you've got the GFB boost controller, like we said, pod filter. What coilovers are you running?
HSD, but I want to change them for BCs. I've heard BCs are the ones to go for. So.
Oh, you can't go wrong with them.
If you want to send me some,
that'd
be sick.
Hit us up.
I can't afford them.
I think we've covered about everything. I'm so excited. Let's get out on the road.
Awesome, let's do it.
Wow, I gotta say, first impression, there's a bit of a bumpy road. I mean, the car's low, as you can see, but it's it just wafts.
It's quite comfy, isn't it? I think the size of it probably helps, just absorb some of that.
Yeah.
And the seats, man, they're like armchairs.
I mean, again, the term gets thrown around a lot, aren't they? These are some of the comfiest seats I've ever sat in.
Very American sort of style.
Yeah. I mean, I totally get why you daily it. I mean, you've got to have balls to daily something like this because of how rare it is and things like that. So say, massive respect. But I totally get it. As soon as you set off, I totally get it.
Yeah.
Turbo noise.
Honestly, it's worth the 14 miles per gallon.
You haven't floored it yet, as I say. I'm looking forward to see how it goes. I'm not expecting it to sort of blow me away because that's not what it's about.
No. What not?
It's real smooth. Oh,
it's super
smooth.
Torque,
you can feel the torque.
It is decent. If you get it at the right speed, it'll accelerate well, but it's not always. Sometimes it'll feel slow, sometimes it'll feel fast.
Yeah.
So once it gets going, this top end, it really keeps pulling.
You're still in the same gear.
It'll do high speed in seconds. Let's put it that way.
It's so
just smooth.
It's still accelerating and it's so smooth.
Yeah, you wouldn't know.
That was so smooth. I mean, that was basically a 1-gear pull.
Yeah.
And I want to say no drama, not in a bad way.
Yeah.
But I imagine,
smooth, isn't it?
I imagine on a motorway, like you said, on a road trip, this thing would be phenomenal.
It is brilliant. Yeah.
I've jumped in cars where it's like, oh wow, puts a massive, like that puts a smile on my face for a different look.
It goes all right, you know.
I can't explain. Like I said, even in Sav's car, the TTS that we did last week, it was like, oh wow, in your seat, there's something about this car that makes me feel a different type of way, and it just makes me smile for a different reason.
It's very different, isn't it?
Yeah, and like I said, there's loads of videos on YouTube of like 1,000 brake horsepower things. Yeah. I'm all about experiencing different cars, and this whole, even from the passenger seat, this whole experience is just, because these days, if something's less than 1,000 brake, it's just, let's not go, no one cares. But it's like, to me, that's not what this car was built for. All the quirkiness and things like that is, that's what does it for me.
Just gotta wait for that, right?
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Wow.
It can move. It's surprising.
I think the thing that's making me laugh, and again, it's not in a bad way, but you know, something this big and comfy, I did not expect to be thrown in my seat.
No, you don't expect it.
I love this. Even when you were flooring it, it was so smooth and quiet.
It is, yeah.
And it's only when you let off, you get this.
Yes.
I'll be honest, this is more fun than I thought it was going to be.
we've been inside.
Yeah? Have you been a passenger before?
Have I? I don't think I have.
What a good day. I'm so happy. First impressions from the driver's seat. Like I said, just the seating visit is so comfy. It doesn't even, already I'm getting the impression it doesn't want you to go fast. It's like it wants you to cruise.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, that's responsive.
Yeah, the throttle's quite like, for a luxury car, you'd think it'd be a bit softer.
Yeah, so you've got the manual controls on the steering wheel. As I said, it's a bit different to normal cars because you've got 2 buttons on the front, but they're both down, and the 2 buttons on the rear are both up, which must take a bit of getting used to. But we'll just see if we can get a bit of a feel
the steering's really slow as well.
It's very... Alright, let's go foot down. Say the torque is there. Wow. The handling, I mean, it's not a handling car, we know that, but it's just, even the handling feels like luxury.
Yeah. Oh, there's a
police car. Yep.
I mean, Oops. Sorry, officer.
It's a good job of staying within the law. I just realised it's in kilometres. I have no idea how fast I'm going.
Yeah, that'll do.
Right, foot down. Whoa!
Yeah, that low gear kicks.
God!
And as it gets into it, it does move.
I am so impressed with this car.
Get one. Everyone should have a Crown.
Always wanted to do a VIP build, but one of the things stopping me is, they can be a bit boring, but this has just changed my mind. My God. Yeah, I might not be giving this back.
See what happens.
Right, so I've got permission to floor it, so we'll give it a go.
Matt.
Go! Oh my God. This car.
It's faster from the passenger seat.
Yeah? It pulls so strong. Look, we're still
doing
climbing.
illegal speeds, totally legal.
Wow. When it comes to cars make me happy. I know I turn into a child, but this car has genuinely, it's surprised me more than any car we've done, I think, because...
Yeah. Well, you do expect it to be fun, do you?
So see if we can pick it up with it. You haven't even got to floor it. That is amazing.
It loves it.
I am a child.
Yeah,
it's
so
great.
am I. It's great.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my
Put your left foot on the brake, and then rev it like a...
This car!
yeah, boy.
Oh.
So, because I stuck this boost controller on Sunday, so I haven't really messed with it too much.
So you haven't had it on then?
No, it's fresh for you boys.
Wow.
You know?
See the things people do for us. Amazing. Well,
I hope you enjoyed. I hope you buy one now.
Yeah, I don't know whether to be happy or sad, because it's one of those, I am thrilled I got to experience it, but it's like, I know I've got to give it back to you. I would happily kick you out, if I was bigger than you, kick you out and take this thing home, because honestly, like I keep saying, this car just makes you feel a certain way, and ever so grateful for the experience. So I want to say a massive thank you once again. Don't forget to check out Slug, guys. Anything wrapping, logos, anything like that, give them a shout. As you can see, good bunch of guys and proper petrol heads as well. So
thank you very much.
So happy, man. Thank you. You have made my day, sir.
I started it and I was like, is it running?
Right, first impressions.
It's so quiet.
Yep.
It really, really is quiet. Yeah, say it's just, I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's so quiet, so comfortable.
Yeah.
Let's say these seats.
Yeah.
I can have a nap.
As I said, it was making me smile, but for like a different reason. It's just... That's what makes it worth it.
Yes. Like I said, what to say, innit? It's just...
I didn't shut up, but yeah, I just wanted to give you a chance to talk.
No, as I said, I know I'm supposed to be talking and stuff, but I'm just enjoying the drive.
I'm just ready to go sleep.
I think we should definitely get him to launch it.
Really? Okay.
Right, we're gonna launch.
Now.
Go.
Whoa! That's amazing! Oh my god, yeah, Jesus Christ!
In the surprising.
Well, I want one. This is cool as I mean, sorry, this is really cool.
That's got a square weight out of you.
You just don't expect something this big to be that impressive.
It's like a morbid obese ballerina, isn't it?
The Toyota Crown.
It is.
It is indeed.
It is, yeah.
I love my JDM cars. Don't interrupt me.
Sorry.
I love my JDM cars. They're so quirky. And when it comes to the driving, I thought, I'll have a nice cruise, but even driving, it really surprised me.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know what we were gonna come into today, you know?
yeah, because you didn't even know what the hell it
What
was.
it was. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, it is really impressive.
Yeah.
Really, really does stand out.
Yes, yeah.
And I did say it was ugly, and I still stand by that.
What?
Well, it's like Billie Eilish, isn't it? She's all right. She's not hanging or anything, but you still would.
She's ugly in the right way.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I love it. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna lie,
I
I really do love it. It's cool.
Because when we turned up, yeah, I think you've changed your opinion because when you
definitely
first
have
turned up,
changed my
yeah.
opinion,
A massive thank you to Stafford once again, and for anything you need wrapping wise, guys, give Slug Vehicle Graphics a follow. They are on Instagram.
Yep.
We are, where are we?
We're in Quirky Lane, Pontyclun.
There we are, if you know where that is. Then I think that'll about do it for this week.
Yeah.
I really didn't want to give this car back. This is really, really grown on
No,
me.
like I said, it has changed my opinion
Yeah.
totally on it.
Massive thank you for watching. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. This car sucks.